The BPL washing machine F1 error code typically signifies an issue related to water levels, indicating that the washing machine's control unit has detected an abnormal water level situation. During the wash cycle, this error is often caused by problems with the water level sensor or pressure switch, which monitors the water level inside the washing machine tub. If the sensor is faulty or incorrectly calibrated, it may provide inaccurate readings, leading to the error. Other causes include water inlet valve issues, where a malfunctioning or blocked valve may prevent water from entering the machine properly, triggering the error. Additionally, blocked drainage systems, such as a clogged drain hose or filter, can prevent proper water drainage from the washing machine, causing the water level to rise excessively and triggering the error code. To fix the error, several solutions can be applied. First, inspect the water inlet valve by ensuring the washing machine is powered off and removed from the electrical outlet. Then locate the valve at the back of the machine and check for any visible signs of damage. Also, inspect the water supply hoses connected to the inlet valve for any damage, and disconnect the hose to check the water flow, making sure it flows freely through the hoses. Next, examine the water level sensor by switching off the machine and checking the control panel to locate the sensor or pressure switch. Inspect the hose connected to the pressure switch for any blockages or kinks, and use a soft brush to clean it if necessary. Finally, check for blockages by removing the power cable from the electrical outlet and inspecting the drainage hose at the back of the machine for any kinks, vents, or blockages, and remove any blockages found. By following these steps, the BPL washing machine F1 error code can be resolved.